Hi everyone, in this video we'll be looking at writing explanations for the porous pot experiment. So on the screen you can see a porous pot experiment where carbon dioxide is actually outside the porous pot while air is inside the porous pot. Now, how does a porous pot experiment work? If you do not know, please watch the previous video. In this video we'll be focusing on how to write this explanation. Now, in a porous pot experiment, in order to determine which direction does the water level move, we need to first calculate the rate of diffusion for both gases. Here we have carbon dioxide, which formula is CO2, and air, which is about 78% nitrogen. So we have done this calculation many times before, and I'll just let you know, carbon dioxide, it has a relative molecular mass of 44, which you must know how to calculate, while nitrogen, which is air, has an approximate relative molecular mass for about 28. So as you can see over here, the air diffuse faster than carbon dioxide. So remember the method that I taught you, that the air diffuse faster than carbon dioxide, so air diffuse out faster. So we must remember draw this arrow that it goes up. So air diffuse out faster. So for X, we will follow this arrow on top. So because this level will go up, and if this level go up, this level will go down. So how do you determine this? If you cannot remember, please watch the previous video. This video is just for writing the explanation. Okay, so let's write this explanation. Same thing, let's start with our scaffolds. Since, and as, and therefore. So therefore is what we are trying to explain. And in this question, we are trying to explain that the level, therefore level at X rises. So why does the level at X rise? Okay, so the reason why the level at X rise is because the air diffuse out faster than the carbon dioxide diffusing in. So it's like in a classroom. In a classroom, when more students get out of the classroom faster than the students who come into the classroom, there will be a moment where there's lesser gas particles inside the porous pot, right? So how do we write this? And as air diffuses out faster than carbon dioxide diffusing in. Because air diffuses out of the porous pot faster than the carbon dioxide diffusing in, the level of X will rise. So what is the theory behind this? We already know that the rate of diffusion is determined by the relative molecular mass of the gas. So the since, which is the evidence, you need to compare the relative molecular mass of the two gases, air and carbon dioxide. So since carbon dioxide, CO2, right, let's say RMM equals to 44, is heavier than air, which you write there RMM approximately 28, right? Therefore, air diffuses out faster, right, than CO2 diffusing in. So therefore, the level of X rises. So if they change the different gases, please alter your explanation appropriately. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful for you. Please practice your explanations so that you can get better at it. Okay, bye bye.